Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download the driver. Then after that you click on this search button. Then guys enter your model number of your motherboard TRX50 space AERO D and then hit enter. Then click on the product. So this is your mother or any, and this is versions generations, no worry, all same. Just select, then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. So guys, first download one by one, after that I show you how to install. So audio driver, SD audio driver, and just click to download. And if you using USB audio, so you can use this one. Okay, and if you need to DTS, so you can this. Then chipset, but in the audio you can see this is basic drivers of for audio. Chipsets, AMD chipset driver, and this is download icon to click. LAN driver, LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, same. So this is different versions, so you have to install Realtek LAN driver. Okay, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So WLAN means guys Wi-Fi, BT means Bluetooth. So Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo. So first install this one, and for this only Wi-Fi you can install this one. And this is USB driver. Same, just click to download. Then I show you how to install. Okay, just click on this icon, it is downloading, and click on this icons to move where it is downloaded. So then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. The last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next, now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back, then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.